In today's video, I will walk you through how to turn on post notifications in Slack. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, go to your account section at the bottom of the interface and click on it to open the account menu. In the menu, look for the option that says Pause Notifications, which indicates that notifications are currently turned off or paused. If you want to turn them back on, select Resume Notifications from the available options. Once you click it, Slack will immediately remove the pause setting that was applied to your account and restore your notifications. After selecting Resume, your notification settings will return to normal, and you will start receiving updates again based on your existing preferences. You can confirm this change by reopening the same account menu and checking that the pause option is no longer active in the same way. If you ever want to pause notifications again in the future, you can return to the same account section and select Pause Notifications at any time. Once you have resumed notifications, there is nothing else you need to change, and Slack will continue delivering messages and alerts as usual, according to your settings.